Good evening, friends. Welcome back to my channel, Intraday Trade. My name is Robin, and today, finally, we are rolling out our Algo softwares to the subscribers. So this is just a small video on how you download it and use it, and the functions is something which we are going to discuss in this particular video. So basically this video will clear all your doubts, and I'm sure there should not be any questions because I'm going to cover each and everything in this video. So ensure that if you do not understand, just pause, and rewind the video and watch it again. And still, if you have doubts, you may ask me, or we can plan a Zoom session tomorrow. Okay, so let's see how it goes. So the first thing is, we'll be sending you the file either through Google Drive or through WeTransfer. So all that you have to do is download the file, and you will see this Algo file. Okay, once you have downloaded, so this is a zip file basically, and the size of this file is approximately 9 MB. What you do is you right click on this folder, click extract all, and choose desktop as the destination folder, and just click on extract. So your file will be extracted and you will see this. So after this, just close everything, come back to your desktop, and while you're on your desktop, you will see a folder which is this one. It says dist, D-I-S-T. Okay, so once you see this folder, double click this and you will see only one file. Okay, so this is our exe file, and you don't have to install it like normally we install a software. You just have to right click on this. So this file name is Infinite Algo, and you can also see our logo in this. So I'm just double clicking on it. It will open this command prompt, and finally this form. Okay, so please make sure that you don't close the command prompt, because if you close this command prompt, then your algo will stop working. So just minimize it and keep it minimized, and this is something which is important. So we'll discuss everything here, whatever you see on this particular form. Okay, so this is your API secret, API ID, your two-factor authentication, your user ID, your password, and these will be pre-filled. So people whoever gave me the details, all the details will be pre-filled here. Okay, and people who did not give me password and two-factor authentication, this particular blank, so this particular box will be blank. So every time when you want to run the algo, you just have to enter that. So not a big issue. So things here we do not touch. Okay, because these are default values. So 2500 is our threshold amount, which means that once the profit reaches 2500, our trailing stop loss gets activated at 1500 rupees, and this is our default value of stop loss, which is 3000 rupees loss, and default target as 3000. You can definitely change it, I'll tell you how. But here we do not do anything except for the 2FN password. So people who did not give me these two information have to enter it manually. People who gave me it will be already there, so you don't have to do anything. Now the actual process starts. So when you want to run the algo, what you do is, after opening this, you go here. This is the expiry date selection. We select year 2022, month is July, and the first expiry is 7th July. Okay, so you click 7, so 7/7/2022. So now the expiry is selected. Then there is an option which says enter strike price. So when we decided that our capital is 60,000 rupees, that means for each lot we are not going to spend more than 10,000 rupees. So what I normally do is, on Friday, Monday, and Tuesday. I select this as 200. So what do you mean by 200? That means from at the money, we will be buying options 2 strikes away. Okay, this is not a compulsion to select 200, but every time I select 200 during Friday, Monday, Tuesday. If you keep it 100, that means from at the money, only 1 strike away you're going to buy. When you keep it 0, that means you're going to buy at the money strikes. So this is completely your take, and I have also told you what I follow. And on Wednesday I select 100, and on Thursday I select 0. Okay, so what we do is, so we select 200, and then we have a button, run algo. As soon as you click the run algo button, I'll show you what happens. You need to check the command prompt. You will see these things. Okay, so initially it was blank, and now it says waiting for 916. That means your algo is switched on. As soon as the market starts, it will automatically start taking the trades. So if you close this command prompt, that means your algo is stopped. Keep this in mind. And what I normally do is, I keep this form open and I keep this running to see if everything is all right. So you will get to see in this command prompt, or this black screen, all the order that it takes and the MTM value. So your PNL will be displayed here also. Okay, so this is how you operate this. And whenever there is any internet disruption or a power failure, what will happen is the algo will start giving you a lot of errors. These errors will say that WebSocket unavailable and a lot of things, and you will see a lot of errors coming up. And you have already watched my algo before, so you know that while it's running, what all information it displays. And while there is a problem, I told you what you can expect. You will see a lot of errors coming up, and you should understand that there is something wrong. The algo stopped working. And what you will do once the algo stopped working is log into your Alice Blue account, close the trade manually. Do not take risk by running it. Straight away you need to close, whether profit or loss. Now we'll come to this right section. So this is our PNL. So your MTM will be displayed here. This is enter new target amount, new trailing stop loss, and new SL. So what are these three? So these three values can be changed here. Okay, your final target is 3000. If you want to change it to say 5000, you just enter 5000 and click on set new target. It will give you this window saying your new target is set to 5000. Okay, now say your trailing stop loss, instead of 2500, you want to activate it on 1500. You just click on 1500 and click set new trailing SL. It says your trailing stop loss is 1500. And similarly, if you want to change your stop loss from 3000 to say 2000, you just type in 2000 and click on set new SL. It says your stop loss is set to minus 2000. So this is it. Not any confusing things. Everything is kept as simple as possible. And this looks clean, I guess. And this is all about our algo. And so if you want to, so once you get the file from me today, so in the evening or by night, you all will get this file. So you have to watch this video first. All that you have to do is run this and just see if everything is all right. So how do you come to know if your algo is perfectly right? It should say it's done and waiting for 916. Okay, so here your password, your 2FA, API key, and everything will be displayed. And finally you will see waiting for 916. So once you see waiting for 916, that means your algo is perfectly all right. And if for anyone you do not see this message, you just have to message me. Okay, that's it all about the video. So once you have to close the algo once your target is hit or your stop loss is hit, all that you have to do is close the command prompt. Your algo is closed. Okay, so that's it. I hope there is no confusion. Let's meet on another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.